A cordial greeting. Today is Wednesday, August 23, 2023. This is the meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. At the time of recording this video, it's 6:45 in the morning local time in the Dominican Republic. Currently, the center of circulation of Tropical Storm Franklin is about to enter Dominican territory. After several days of observing and closely following the progress of Tropical Storm Franklin, it finally made the anticipated turn to the north. At this moment, the weather conditions are continuing to deteriorate across the southern and eastern parts of the nation. As predicted, Tropical Storm Franklin will be entering as a weak tropical storm with maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour or 65 kilometers per hour. Fortunately, the storm encountered issues yesterday and became disorganized to the south of the Dominican Republic, resulting in it being weaker than anticipated a few days ago. However, in the last few hours, we've seen a considerable improvement in the storm structure. Nevertheless, there won't be room for significant strengthening before it enters the Dominican Republic. The storm has developed a strong band of rain and thunderstorms impacting the eastern part of the country, and weather conditions will be very dangerous throughout the Dominican territory. I invite you to stay in a safe place today, especially due to the high risk of flooding and landslides in the area. We can see the active band of thunderstorms and heavy precipitation moving northward over the eastern and central parts of the Dominican Republic, including the capital of Santo Domingo. The center of circulation is located just south of the city of Barahona, and you can see that the most active part of this system is towards the east and northeast of the circulation, as is typical in these cyclones. Let's take a look at the latest bulletin from the National Hurricane Center. Here, you can see the location of the center of circulation, and it's projected to pass over Barahona in the next few hours. Additionally, it's estimated that some tropical storm force winds are already being reported in Barahona, Compostela, Beni, and soon in the capital of Santo Domingo. Then, it will have a northward trajectory passing near or over San Juan de la Maguana, La Vega, Santiago, and finally exiting over Puerto Plata during the afternoon today. The entire Dominican Republic remains under a tropical storm warning. Throughout today, extreme caution is advised, and it's crucial to stay in a safe place, particularly away from flood-prone areas. We're already receiving reports of accumulated rainfall, and near Bani and Santo Domingo, rainfall between 75 to 100 millimeters has been recorded. The rain will continue throughout the day, with some estimates exceeding 300 millimeters across the south and east of the Dominican Republic. After Tropical Storm Franklin crosses over the Dominican Republic, it's forecasted to take a turn to the east when it's located hundreds of miles north of Puerto Rico. It will then make a northward turn. It's important for interests in Bermuda to start monitoring this system in case it approaches the region in the early days of next week. Specialized intensity models predict gradual strengthening over the next few days. It's expected to become the second hurricane of the hurricane season over the weekend when it's located to the south of Bermuda. It's worth considering that some models strengthen it into a Category 2 or Category 3 hurricane when it passes near the island of Bermuda. Here we have the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center, estimating that by Saturday morning, it should be a Category 1 hurricane, moving northward as it strengthens and approaches Bermuda. Well, that would be all for this video. I hope our followers in the Dominican Republic and Haiti are in safe places, and let's hope that this cyclone doesn't cause major inconveniences or damages throughout the region. I will update you on this forecast later in the afternoon. Until then, goodbye.